Hello students, so I told you that in this video I'll tell you about hyperlinking. How can we hyperlink a document? Okay, so I'll tell you internal or external both kind of a hyperlinking, and I will also tell you that how can we link external data or how can we link to the registered data source. Got it students? So now I'm starting. Before starting this, I'll tell you first how can you rename a sheet. Suppose this is a sheet 4 and you want to rename it. Right click and go to rename sheet option. A dialog box will appear. Type a name and then click on OK. The sheet will be renamed. And you can do one more thing. Just double click on the sheet tab. Now again a rename sheet dialog box will appear. Type a name and click on OK. Sheet will be renamed. Okay, student. And if you want to delete it, then also right click and press delete option. Right click on the sheet tab and click on the delete sheet option. The sheet will be deleted. So moving on to hyperlink. So students, this hyperlink is available at two places. Okay, so it is available here. See this earth kind of a symbol is here. This is for hyperlinking and it is also available under the insert tab. So let's move through the insert tab only. Moving to the hyperlink. So now it is showing a dialog box is opening here. So what we can do is we can just link with the web also. See, web option is there. So we will write www.google.co.in. What it is students? Now what I'll do, I will apply it. Okay, and then I'll close it. See now link is already available here. It is http www.google.co.in. So I have hyperlinked my this cell and with Google. So what I am doing, I am clicking here. See, I just click here. I clicked on that link and this link will open. See now students, this link is opening. Actually it has opened so many times because the processing speed was slow. Let me close some of the links. So see students, I typed there www.google.co.in and I immediately moved to that Google link. So this was the external link which I have created and I linked my cell with the Google page. Got it? Now again moving to the insert tab or directly clicking here on this symbol. Again a dialog box will appear. So if I want to create a second link, then also for that I can just click on the FTP. So here I can just select my target, any file I can select. So let me click and let me browse it. Wait students, what we can do is we have to go back again. Going back, opening. I'll select a new document first. Okay, so now if I want to now connect, then I'll be clicking here and then I'll be selecting from desktop class 10 material and I'll be selecting what? Spreadsheet advanced. There is a file. Okay, now see students, this was my file. So that also I am able to link here. Got it? Now clicking on apply. Valid file name it is asking for. Wait, let me click on a document then. And then again I am doing this process. See, it is available here now, session 1. So this was my complete path and now I am clicking on OK and close. So session 1 was my file which I have prepared. That was an open office file only, which I have shown you. In that I did that what if scenarios, tools, solvers, everything was there. Now clicking onto that and opening, trying to open that. So now I clicked onto that. Now it is loading. Okay, so this was my file. Okay, many sheets were there. We have previously also worked onto this sheet only. So student, this way we can create what? This way students, we can create links, hyperlinks. So go to here and for the net, if you want to go, then select the net option onto the web, then describe your target here, just browse it or directly type the URL and then again if you want to link a document which you have prepared, select the document option, browse it and URL will come here, click on apply, close, a hyperlink will be created. Got it students? Now if you want to delete a hyperlink, then what you will do, just click before that sheet tab and then just go to this link which you have created, right click there and go to the default formatting. So default formatting, when you will click, the hyperlink is now gone. There is no hyperlink. But it controls that I am doing it again. Hyperlink is there. Then what you can do is right click and then go to the default formatting option. Default formatting will remove the hyperlink. But if you want to add it a hyperlink, then what you will do? right click, or one thing you can do is just you have selected the link, go to the hyperlink option here, see it is here. Now from here you can delete this link and you can give another link here, www.google.co.in. so now what you have done here, you have given another hyperlink here. So you have edited the hyperlink. Got it, students? Now click on apply and then close. So you have edited the hyperlink. The earlier hyperlink was of the session 1 file which I have created, but now I have edited it and now it is for www.google.co.in. If I'll click on this link, I will move to Google. Got it, students? Now moving ahead, students, now I told you that how can you create a hyperlink, okay, and how can you students, just remove a hyperlink, how can you edit a hyperlink. But students, if within a file also you have to create a hyperlink, then what you can do is, suppose you are in sheet 2 and here you have to create a hyperlink for sheet 5 and for sheet 6. What you can do is just type their names, just click here, select it, go to the hyperlink, okay. Now go to the target. Now what you have to do, you have to go to the target document, then select your sheets, okay, for the sheet, for which sheet, sheet 5. Now sheet 5 is your target, then apply it, close it, apply it, close it. See now what happened, in front of sheet 5 there is a sheet 5 option. If I'll click here, now I'll move to a sheet 5, okay. Students, similarly what you can do is, you can in the sheet 2 you will go back again, you will select your cell for C6, again you can do a hyperlink. Now you can click on the target. So what you are doing, you are creating the internal links within the sheets only. You are on sheet 2 and from here you want to move to sheet 6. Got it, students? Now you can click on apply, click and close, then apply and then close. So now a link for sheet 6 is also created here, students. Got it? So this way you can create the internal links also within the sheets, okay, students. So this was hyperlinking external documents, hyperlinking the targeted documents. So you need to learn the steps for that also. Got it, students? So now what we will do, students, I will come up with the next video, and in that I'll show you that how can you link to external data and how can you link to the registered data source. So these things are very big and very important to understand. So I want to create a separate video for this, okay, student. So when I'll in the next class I'll bring a separate video for you all for this. Till then, just watch it and wait for my next video. Thank you, students.